The financial world is constantly evolving. One of the most significant innovations in recent years is the rise of cryptocurrencies. These are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Imagine them as digital tokens that can be used for transactions just like traditional money. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate independently. They don't rely on central banks or other financial institutions. This independence is what makes them unique and appealing to many, but it also adds complexity for newcomers. One key aspect of cryptocurrencies is their digital nature. They exist only as data on computer networks. This might seem strange at first, but it allows for fast, borderless transactions with lower fees. It's like sending an email, but instead of a message, you're sending value. Think of cryptocurrencies as online versions of cash. They provide a new way to think about and interact with money. As we delve deeper, we'll explore the mechanisms behind cryptocurrencies and their potential impact on the future of finance. Decentralization is key to understanding cryptocurrencies. Traditional currencies are managed by central authorities. Cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized blockchain network. Think of it as a public digital ledger. This enhances security and transparency. It eliminates intermediaries like banks. Transactions occur directly between users. Decentralization is the bedrock of cryptocurrencies. The story of cryptocurrencies begins with Bitcoin. Created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first successful implementation of a decentralized digital currency. It paved the way for the thousands of cryptocurrencies that exist today. Bitcoin's creation was revolutionary. It offered a way to transfer value online without the need for intermediaries like banks. It provided a glimpse into a future where financial systems could be more open, transparent, and accessible. Following Bitcoin's success, other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins began to emerge. These altcoins often sought to improve upon Bitcoin's design or address specific limitations. Ethereum, for example, introduced smart contracts, enabling more complex applications beyond simple transactions. Ripple, another prominent altcoin, focuses on facilitating cross-border payments between financial institutions. It aims to provide a faster and more cost-effective solution for international money transfers. The emergence of altcoins demonstrates the rapid innovation within the cryptocurrency space. Each cryptocurrency offers unique features and functionalities, catering to diverse needs and use cases. Section 4. Cryptocurrencies in action, uses, and applications. Cryptocurrencies offer practical applications for individuals and businesses. They provide an alternative means of payment for goods and services. Online retailers and some brick-and-mortar stores accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Lower transaction fees and faster processing times drive this adoption. Cryptocurrencies facilitate cross-border transactions efficiently. They offer a cost-effective solution for remittances. Businesses can fundraise through initial coin offerings or ICOs. Blockchain technology improves supply chain management and data security. The applications of cryptocurrencies are continually expanding. Section 5. The potential of cryptocurrencies, financial inclusion and beyond. Cryptocurrencies promote financial inclusion by providing access to a digital financial system. Billions lack access to traditional banking services. Cryptocurrencies offer a solution. They empower individuals previously excluded from the formal financial world, enabling participation in the global economy by sending and receiving money. Cryptocurrencies challenge the traditional financial system and foster innovation, leading to a more equitable and accessible financial system. Section 6. Shaping the future. Cryptocurrencies and the global financial landscape. Cryptocurrencies are poised to reshape the global financial landscape significantly. While still in their early stages of development, their impact is already being felt across various sectors. Governments and central banks worldwide are closely monitoring the rise of cryptocurrencies. Some are exploring the potential of central bank digital currencies or CBDCs, digital versions of their national currencies built on blockchain technology. The integration of blockchain technology into existing financial infrastructure is already underway. Financial institutions are exploring its use cases for improving efficiency, security, and transparency in their operations. However, challenges remain. Volatility, regulation, and scalability are key issues that need to be addressed for widespread adoption. As the technology matures and regulatory frameworks evolve, these challenges are likely to be mitigated. The future of cryptocurrencies is filled with both opportunities and uncertainties. One thing is certain, they have sparked a global conversation about the future of money and finance. Their impact on the world is only just beginning to unfold.